let's look at this question. A water supplier supplies water in 5 societies, namely Panchasheel, Supertech, Amrapali, Gaur, and Infinity. The following information is also known with regard to water supply to the 5 societies. Okay, we have Panchasheel, Supertech, Amrapali, Gaur, and Infinity. Panchasheel, which received water on every 5th day, received water on 5th January. So he receives water on every 5th day. 5th January, 10th January, 15th January, or 5th day of the year, 10th day of the year, 15th day of the year, any multiple of 5 throughout the year, this person will get water. Okay. Supertech, which received water on every 6th day, received water on 6th January. So he will receive it on every 6K days. Amrapali received water on every 10th day, received water on 10th January. So 10M on every 10M day, he will get water. Gaur on 16th day. So this will be 16P. And Infinity, which received water on 25th day. So 25Q. Okay. Let's go through individual questions. First one. In 2016, the number of societies that received water on the same day could not be more than. Because we have 5. See, if P receives water on every 5th day, S receives water on every 6th day, A receives water on every 10th day, D receives water on every 16th day, and I receives water on every 25th day, they will all receive water after the LCM of number of days. And when I'm calculating LCM for G and I itself, I see the LCM is 400. The LCM is 400, which is greater than 365. So G and I will not receive water simultaneously on any day throughout the year. They will not receive water simultaneously on any day throughout the year. So 5 is definitely not possible. Let's see 4. 5, 6, 10, and 25. I'm just checking 25 and 7. 150th day. P, S, A, and I will, all of them will get water on 150th day. It is in multiple of 5, it is in multiple of 6, it is on multiple of 10, and it is on multiple of 25. So on the 150th day, all 4 of them can get water. So the number of societies that receive water on the same day could not be more than 4. 5 is not possible, but 4, it can be done. So it cannot be more than 4. Okay. Next. The first instance when exactly 3 societies were supplied water in April 2016 was. So 3 societies we have to check. So PSA, I'm looking at the pairing PSA. They will get water on every 30, after every cycle of 30, 5 plus 6, 5, 6, and 10 have an LCM of 30. Let's look at PS and G. So you have 16 into 3 into 5, 240. On every 240th working, they will get it. 16 into 3 is 48, 48 into 5 is 240. Okay. Then PS and I. 25 into 6, 150. Okay. But we have to also do this check. One extra check we have to do. For PSA, we have 30. It does not, G should not receive water on that day because it says exactly 3 societies. So G should not receive water on that day. I should not receive water on that day. 30 is fine. 1, 240, 15, 5, 6, 10, and 16. All of them would receive. So this is not even an acceptable day on which exactly 3 societies were receiving water. This is gone. For PSI, we know from PSAI, 4 societies would receive water on this day. So this is not acceptable. In fact, instead of deleting these, let me go ahead and write down the additional society that is also receiving water on this day. A and A. PSI is done. Next is SAG. 30 and 16. So 240 again. 240 again. And we have P also receiving water on this day. So this is not ideal. SAI. So we have 150 again. And again for 150, We'll also have P receiving water on this day. So this is not ideal. So SAI. Oh, I have not completed the entire list for P. PSA, PSG, PSI, then PAI, then PGI. I should also be taking care of this. PAI 5, 10, 25, 50. The 50th day they will receive. And this is an acceptable case, I hope. This is an acceptable case, very much so. Because in PAI, G will not come and S will not come. 16 and 6 not coming. How about PGI? This is 400th day, 25. For 400th day, A will come. So this is not acceptable. Okay, now SAG we have done. SAI we have done. SGI is the next pair to check. SGI. 6, 16, 25. So 1200. Ooh. If we go to 1200, we will also get P and we will also get A. We'll also get P and we will also get A. So this is anyway not great. Now the only pairing left, I have 6 here, 6 here, 2 here. So how do I have only one pairing left? PSA, PSG, PSI, then SAG, SAI. 5C3 is 10. PSA done, PSG done, PSA, PSG, PSI. 3 pairings done. ENS. Next, PAG, PAI. PAI is not done. Okay. No, PAI is done. PAG. PAG is not done. Okay. PAG is not done. Okay. PAG will be 5, 10, and 16 on the 80th day. On the 80th day, if we do, S will not come, I will not come. So this is also valid. This is also valid. This is also valid. These 3 are valid. Okay. Now the only pairing left is AGI. AGI. 16. 400 only. LCM will be 400 only. As soon as I have 400, PE is also included. So there are only 3 combos that can exactly be supplying water. Now, April 2016. Jan has 31 days. February will have 29 days. Remember, this is 2016, so leap year. And March will have 31 days. So 91 days have passed. 91 days have passed up until the end of March. If we are looking for April, we'll go from 92nd day to 121st day of the year. Now in this series, PSA, you have 30, you have 60, you have 30, you have 60, you have 90, and then you have 120, which falls within the acceptable range that we are seeking. Now for PAI, the range is 50, 100. This falls within the acceptable range that we are seeking. And for 80th, we have 80, we have 160. But this is not great because both of them are outside of the range we are seeking. So when they're asking me, the first instance when exactly 3 societies were supplied water in April 2016, it has to be the 100th day. It has to be the 100th day. Now see, the 92nd day is 1st April. The 92nd day is 1st April. If we are now looking for the 100th day, we are coming 8 forward. So it has to be 8 forward here as well. We get to 9th April. So the first instance when exactly 3 societies were supplied water in April 2016 was 9th April. Okay. Getting rid of this. Keeping this alive because this is fun. Next. The second instance when maximum number of societies were supplied water in 2016. Maximum number of societies were supplied water. See, maximum number of societies being 4. When are 4 societies being supplied water? We have it on 150, 300, and then we go to the next year. So it doesn't matter. Apart from that, we have 240 and then 480 again goes to the next year. Then 400 is anyway next year. We don't check anymore. So these are the 3 days. These are the 3 days in 2016 where maximum number of societies are supplied water, or 4 societies are supplied water. Now, when they're asking for the second instance, it has to be the 240th day. It has to be the 240th day. Now, see, if you want to do maths, you can do maths. We will do maths also. But roughly, among the available options, simply see, 240 is roughly 2/3 of the year. 2/3 of 365 this is roughly 2/3 of 365. Now, month-wise, if there are 12 months, roughly 2/3 of 12 months would be 8 months. So our date has to be very close to Augustish. 8th month of the calendar is Augustish. This is in April. This is in April. This is in October. This is the only one in August. This should be the answer. This is the only one in August. This should be the answer. The 240th day will be 27th August. We can go and check it out that way. The other way to do it, of course, is by doing it for every month, the mathematical way. Jan has 31, Feb has 28, no, 29, March has 31, April has 30, 61 and 60. So 121 days are done. Then we have May, June, July, and August. May is 31, June is 30, July is 31, and August is 31 again. So 31, 31, 31, 93, 93 plus 30, 123. Can you see, by the end of August, we have managed to reach 244 days, or the 244th day is 31st August. Then 243, 242, 241, and 240. If we go back, 30, 29, 28, and 27. And now we can be certain the 240th day is 27th August. But based on the options given and 2/3 working that is happening, you can directly jump to the fact that it has to be a day in August, and the options are very nice. The options are very nice. Okay. Let's see. If the given frequency for all the receivers was being followed since 2016, then in 2017, how many times can the societies Amrapali, Gaur, and Infinity have received water together in a single day in the given year? Amrapali, Gaur, and Infinity, AGI. They must have received water simultaneously. So pay attention, they're not saying only these 3, they're saying these 3 have to receive it together. So these 3 receive it every 400 days. So the first year is done 365. The second year is done at 730. Within this, there will be one instance. At the end of 400 days, AGI receive water together. At the end of 400 days, they will receive water together. But in 2017, there will be no other instance, because the next instance is going to be at the 800th day, which will be in 2018 now. Up until here, we have 2016 running. From here to here, we have 2017 running. After this point, we have 2018 running. The question is asking me, when would Amrapali, Gaur, and Infinity receive water together in 2017? How many times? There is just one instance on the 400th day. And therefore, the answer to this question has to be option A. They will only receive water together once in that given period. And that is the, 365 is not exactly correct. This should be 366 because 2016, then this will be 731. But then it doesn't really impact our answer too much. Our answer remains the same. And that is the entirety of the set. This question is a perfect example of how, see, this is a question from number theory. Number theory, people tend to leave out because number theory is not important. But number theory can be tested in DILR. Similar to PNC can be tested in DILR. Please don't leave out any topics in your preparation. That will be all the guidance for this question. That is all.